Alright, Kettles, do you want to take a bite of that? Oh, wow.
What's up, everybody? We are doing an unboxing. This is the Scent Adventure channel if you're new. We have Cuddles, our scent specialist, my wife, Yuck Ching, and I, of course, James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. Now, we've got a few things we're going to pull out of this box.
What brand is that?
This is Barnbrand. This is barnbrand beards. This is going to be the beard wash. This is a cantaloupe and lime. We'll set that to the side.
Yo.
We've got a few beard oils right here on the top. Looks like we've got some sort of little butter or something here.
Oh, it's a sad face.
And then we've got...
Oh, Carol wants it.
Oh, you want some of that, Carlos?
Yeah.
There's some little scent thing here.
Oat milk and honey and stringering body butter.
Ooh, oh, does that sound good?
She's
Body
excited. Carol,
like
you
that?
want this?
Alright.
Barnbrand beer.
Barnbrand beards.
Supreme
Alright.
butter.
Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, hell yeah, look at that. Cool little pin and a sticker. Add it to my sticker collection. Let me know if you guys want to see my sticker collection in the comments down below. Alright, Cuddles, do you want to take a bite of that? Wow.
Wow.
Pretty good at unboxing there, Cuddles. So we got the Supreme Body Butter. We've got a few beard butters. And we have the beard oils. What else do we got here? We've got some more body butter, some sugar scrub, a beard pudding. This is a little secret scent, I guess, over here.
Barnbrand beer.
Cool. Got Texas beard pudding. We've got this bearded dead. Smell that.
Ooh. Wow, this is so special.
Licorice just really ties
I
it
love
together.
the design of this logo.
Really cool looking artwork, huh?
That's so cool. That's like one of the best I've ever seen.
Alright,
I really like this thing.
the bearded dead.
That is really good scent.
Did you look at this label too? They're all really cool artwork.
But I love this scent. I've been like sniffing it, I come back. I want to sniff it again.
Let me smell it. Open it up.
It's
I only got a couple
very
whiffs.
unique and it's really fresh and just really.
It's like dark.
But it's
Ooh,
like
the honey.
dark honey at the end. Like wow, like what is this?
That is
You know?
good. That is a damn good scent.
Right.
First impressions on this brand so far. I mean, obviously we haven't tried anything, but scent-wise, it's got some interesting scents.
Wow, there are a few scents really impressive. I really like the beard that just
The bearded dead, yeah.
the scent that is so impressive. That's like very unique and will make me like want to sniff it again and then come back again. That's like a dark honey. So you see a zombie here. So but it's like sweet though. So it's like a really like disgusting a zombie but sweet kind of thing. Like you smell it, it's awesome. It just has a whole story there. Oh my goodness, I keep sniffing
Really?
it and come back again.
You can use that as a body butter. This one actually smells
But
good
you
too.
know, like I can imagine if a guy, like you know, like guy usually don't put like honey scents like this, but this is a guy honey.
Honey.
It's a honey for guy that like you know
Does
like.
it smell like here the
This
oil?
is a strong dark
What are you
honey.
doing over there, Kyle? Hey.
I said this is great. Like when I say great, that's really great.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you think about that as the oil? Same thing.
Oh yeah. Ooh, it's the same scent. I love
Yeah.
it.
Ooh, what do you think about this? The cantaloupe and lime.
Oh,
A little
ooh la la.
tropical.
It smells better than cantaloupe.
Really?
Smell like a sweet melon. You know those honey melon?
Like a honeydew.
Yeah, it smells more like this to me.
Sweet. Look forward to checking these guys out and seeing how they fare against the other pumpkins in the pumpkin video. See you guys on the next adventure. Peace.